Hello, my name is Louise and I am the chair of the British Association of Skin Camouflage as well as a skin camouflage practitioner. In this video I will be talking about the types of products that can be used alongside skin camouflage. Before you apply skin camouflage, there are several products that you may like to consider applying to the skin, such as leave-on acne treatments, moisturisers, invisible primers and sunscreens. All of these products are fine to use underneath skin camouflage. After you have applied skin camouflage, you may wish to apply decorative makeup. There is no problem in using makeup with skin camouflage, and both liquid and powder makeups can be applied. However, you should avoid using oil-based products as they can loosen skin camouflage and cause it to move out of place. As an alternative, you should seek to use water or mineral-based products. You should also avoid using colours that are similar to the colour of the skin discoloration that you have covered up. This can trick the eye into thinking that the skin discoloration is showing through. For example, using a pink-red blusher on cheeks that you have covered over reddish acne marks can make it appear as though the acne is still visible through the camouflage. For more advice on the products that you can use with skin camouflage, please see the below information on this page.